Hello guys, welcome back to Unleash. I'm Isha and in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to get that perfect makeup for passport size photo. I recently got my photo shot and I thought to share the makeup with you guys and I think it turned out really well. So let's just get into the video. So whenever you're doing your makeup, I think skincare is the most important to get that perfect base, and I'm using the Innisfree green tea moisturizer on my face and I'm massaging it all over it. मैंने recently एक video भी share करी थी about my skincare routine, so I follow that same regime and the second step is the minimalist serum and I'm also rubbing that into my skin. So the most important part about getting the perfect makeup for passport size is to not use sunscreen because sunscreen से face पे flash photography में एक white cast आ जाता है, so avoid using sunscreen. Secondly, I'm using the foundation and I'm using my fingers to blend the foundation because that gives the most natural finish. Also make sure that foundation आपकी skin tone का ही हो, don't use light foundation. Second, I'm using a concealer and first I'm using a concealer जो मेरे skin tone का है ताकि dark circles अच्छे से cover हो जाएं. So I'm applying the concealer on the center of my face. So if you guys didn't know, flash photography से face के features थोड़े diminish हो जाते हैं. So it's really important that we bring the features back and इसके लिए contour and highlight is really important. मैं generally तो मैं ये नहीं करती हूँ, but this is really important for passport size makeup. Second, I'm using a lighter concealer ताकि again वो highlight हो face के features अच्छे से. And you guys must know that इसको face के center पे लगाना होता है, like eyes के नीचे, forehead पे, nose and around the mouth. And I'll be using my fingers to blend this. So what I noticed is that studio lights में face थोड़ा different लगता है and it's important that we highlight the features of our face. And I've also noticed that face बहुत मोटा लगता है passport photo में, इसलिए contouring is really important to bring shadow to the face and also to bring structure to the face. इसलिए मैं इसको cheeks पे and थोड़ा बहुत nose पे लगा रही हूँ. And also I generally don't do this, but this is only for the studio lights and the flash photography. And again I'm blending it with my fingers ताकि एकदम seamless finish आए. Honestly, मुझे तो अपनी आधार कार्ड की फ़ोटो भी अपडेट करानी है बिकॉज दैट फ़ोटो, ओ माई गॉड, लाइक लिटरली इट्स सो हिलेरियस. मैंने 7th क्लास में खिंचवाई थी और वो अभी भी वैसी की वैसी है एंड आई लिटरली लुक लाइक अ मजदूर इन दैट फ़ोटो, लॉल. सो मैं उसको भी अपडेट कराऊंगी और मैं सेम यही मेकअप यूज़ करके जाऊँगी एंड आई ऑल्सो अपडेट यू गाइज अबाउट हाउ दैट मेकअप इज़ लुकिंग. एंड आई एम यूजिंग द ब्लश ऑन माई फेस बिकॉज अगेन फ्लैश फोटोग्राफी में मेकअप नहीं दिखता तो थोड़ा ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है, इसलिए मैं ब्लश को नोज़ पे एंड चीक्स पे लगा रही हूँ ताकि एकदम क्यूट सी लुक आए एंड फेस पे थोड़ा कलर भी आए. एंड देन आई एम यूजिंग द कॉन्टूर फ्रॉम कॉन्टूर पैलेट एंड जो हमने चीक्स पे लगाया था उसको थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज फेस पाउडर से वो थोड़ा हट गया था, तो उसको लाइक फिर से उसको थोड़ा हाईलाइट करने के लिए आई एम कॉन्टूरिंग द फेस एज वेल. So contouring the face is such a small step, but it really brings a lot of difference in the face and how it presents in the photo. Moving on to the eyebrows. So eyebrows हमारे face को frame करती हैं, so it's really important कि हम उसको अच्छे से highlight करें. And recently I saw this video that if you have thicker brows, you naturally look more beautiful and more youthful. So giving proper attention to your eyebrows is really important. Next we're going to eyeshadow and I'll be going for a neutral look because obviously बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक मेकअप तो करके जाएंगे नहीं हम. पूरा लुक एकदम न्यूट्रल है ताकि वी लुक लाइक आवर सेल्व्स ऑल्सो एंड वो मेकअप भी एकदम पुट टुगेदर लगे. So I'm applying a light brown eyeshadow on the corners of the eyes to give it a lifted look, and next I'm applying an orange shade on the center of the eyes because orange looks really good on brown skin tone because actually brown is like a darker orange, so these both are actually the same shades. इसलिए आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि brown लोगों पे orange कलर बहुत अच्छा लगता है, like warm colors. And I'm also applying it on the under eye. And next I'll be applying the eyeliner. I actually applied it off screen because कैमरा पे लगाने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. And next up is mascara, and mascara totally changes the game of your makeup guys, so don't sleep on it. So honestly मुझे mascara भी off screen लगाना चाहिए था because I literally ruined the eye look, but nonetheless मैंने इसको fix कर लिया and it looks good now. But I don't know ये out of focus क्यों हो गया है, वो हो जाएगा अभी focus. Yeah. So lastly is lipstick and I'm going for a nude lipstick, pinkish nude, ताकि makeup में it looks very natural. And this is the final look. So the hair looks really messy because मैं अभी नहा कर आई थी. So I blow dried my hair and I'm actually really bad in the hair department, so the hair looks a bit messy. And next I'm wearing a gold chain because it looks really cute in the photo and उसमें थोड़े photo में dimension आ जाएगी. And this is the final look. I think it looks really cute and passport photo में it will look really amazing. आपने photo देखी होगी. I think the photo turned out really well and I'll see you next time. Bye.